instantly boost your subscriber growth with eye-catching floating sign-up forms on Beehiiv. Hey creators! Today, we're unlocking a powerful feature in Beehiiv that will revolutionize how you capture new subscribers. The floating subscription form. This persistent sign-up prompt stays visible as users scroll, snagging those leads that might otherwise get lost. Let's dive in. First, log into your Beehiiv account and navigate to your publication settings. Look for the settings option in the left-hand menu and click on it. Once you're in your publication settings, you'll see several tabs at the top. We're interested in the Forms tab, so go ahead and click on that. Within the Forms section, you'll find various types of sign-up forms. The one we're focusing on today is the floating form. Click on Create New Form and select Floating Form from the options. Now, it's time to customize your floating form to match your brand and attract the perfect subscribers. Start by giving your form a compelling headline that clearly communicates the benefit of subscribing. Then, add a concise description that elaborates on what your readers can expect. Don't forget to tailor the look and feel. You can adjust the colors of your form to seamlessly blend with your website's aesthetics. Make it pop, but keep it professional. The call to action button is crucial. Personalize the text to make it irresistible. A circumflex euros. Think, get my free guide, or join our community. You can also customize its color to draw attention. Now for the floating magic. Under the position settings, you can choose where your form will appear on the screen. The most common choices are the bottom right or bottom left corners, but you can experiment to see what works best for your audience. Make sure the Enable toggle is switched on. This ensures your floating form is active and ready to capture subscribers as soon as it's published. Once you're happy with all your customizations, hit the Save Form button to apply your changes, and that's it. Your eye-catching, persistent floating subscription form is now live on your website. Watch as it actively engages your visitors, dramatically increasing your lead generation and subscriber growth. Happy building!